right, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. Warren Zeiders has been with us before. We had a song called Heartbreaker on this channel, and this time he's back with another heart song. It's called Can a Heart Take? Okay, so this fits guitar obviously very well. It's a 4-chord song and it goes almost in the same way through the entire song. We love that scenario. All right, so let's dive into this one. No need for any capo here, and we're going to learn the 4 chords. F major with the C in the bass, then the C, G, and A minor. So let's start with the F major / C chord. That means we have a C as the bass here. You're gonna hit that on the 3rd fret A string. Then you continue with the F major chord, which will be 3rd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. All right, next chord is C. Very easy transition from the F major. So you're gonna hit the 3rd A, 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. G next, and that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And then finally we have the A minor. And A minor goes open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern, and it sounds like this. Okay, so we're gonna start with 2 downs, and then comes up, up, down, and then finally down, down, up. And if you put that together, it will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. Down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. All right. So we have pretty much one chord progression through the entire song, and that will be to play one string around of the chords in the order we learned them. So F major 1, C1, G1, and A minor 1. Okay, so you're gonna play that almost through the entire song. We have one exception here. It happens about 32 seconds into the song. Okay, and it's just the bridge over into the first chorus. So the chord progression starts at 32 seconds in, and you're gonna play just the F major / C chord, 1 string around, and then G, 1 string around. And then you start all over again with a new fresh chord progression around, and just continue that one, the main, till the very end. So 1 chord progression around sounds like this. F, C, and there you have it, guys. Warren Zeiders, Can a Heart Take? Fits guitar very well, easy chords as well, so it's very beginner friendly. Give it a try, and if you enjoyed this, then make sure to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon. Till next time, guys, play tuned.